Oh, hey guys! Welcome back to AndrewLina Show. My name's AndrewLina.
My name is Andrew.
And today we're going to teach you guys how to make face mask slime. This is the result of what it will look like after you're done. It's very stretchy and it rips though. And it's wet. Yeah, and it's wet. So if you like wet and jelly, and it's jelly. If you like wet and jelly slime, then this is the perfect slime. If you like blah 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 blah. And if you like the color blue, light blue, then this is the perfect one. It's like I named this one mint jelly because it smells like mint and it's jelly. So let's get started. So what you need is face mask. We got two. Toothpaste. The baking soda. Solution medicine. Some water. 2 empty bottle cups. You need long, big ones. 2 spoons. Scissors to open the face mask, but if you want to rip it, then that's okay. Water with a measuring cup. Water. You see, guys? And 2 cups. 2 bowls, Andrew. 2 bowls. If you want to make a lot, then you take 2 bowls. And I'm going to use the pink and Andrew's going to use the blue. So let's get started. So first, you get your bowls. So guys, first you need to take your face masks, Andrew, take yours. And you need to take your scissors. Oh, I will do that for you. No, I can do it. I will do it. And then you need to cut it like diagonally right here.
Diagonally. So what I want, you can see a visible line here.
Why are you cutting your...
There's no slime there. Okay,
not
ready guys?
To go. And then you just pour the whole entire thing in there. So. Oh,
yeah.
look at my hand.
Pretty simple.
Oh, it's like clear. It's like clear. What a pretty color.
Wow. That is so much.
If you guys can see it, it's like clear. I think it's cool. It's a lot of work. What are you doing? So guys, this is what it looks like. It looks clear, but it kind of looks pink in the bowl, but it's actually clear.
That's why you can...
1 ounce of water. We got 2 ounces because there's 2 bowls. And so yeah. I'll pour this. So we're done with that. And now we have to stir it. See, I got something in there. So stir time. What is this thing?
What is this consistence?
Smells really good, like really good, man.
Yeah,
smells like
so good.
So good. Okay guys, so next thing is you take bottles. You take these bottles. I got a bottle. You take an empty bottle. And you take toothpaste and you pour toothpaste in there. So so you take your toothpaste and you pour it in there. So you're gonna pour it in the bottle.
Gotta keep it still.
Is this enough? I guess not.
Ow!
Stop. Too much.
Oh.
Too much. Like too much. Okay, get your knife. So then you pour in a 1/2 ounce. So yeah, so we got a 1 ounce because we have 2 bowls. 2 bottles.
Let me pour it.
Oh my god.
Shake it.
Then you close your caps, Andrew. You close your caps, and then you shake yours.
Yes, it's wet from outside.
So this is what it looks like now. And you just keep on shaking it. Do the shake dance. You have to shake it a lot.
Oh my goodness, look how wide it is. Okay, let's go back.
No, let's not.
Okay, it doesn't work.
I think I'm done. Okay, so after this, so this is what it looks like. It looks all bubbly. So you have to shake until all the glue is gone. So shake.
Okay, guys, you need to do this off camera because it's too.
Yeah. So guys, our dad helped us a lot. Like now it looks like this.
Well, I did it mostly by myself.
So our dad helped us.
But I didn't. I only needed a little bit of help, and then I found out how to do it by
we did a
myself.
little. My dad. Okay, so then you.
But I did a lot.
Then you open it, and then you pour it into your bowl of face paint and water. Get all of it in there.
Gotta get inside of it. It feels like I'm fighting crime.
So then you mix it up. Well, let me just throw this in the trash because it's messy. Should I just leave it right there here? So then you mix it. So let's mix. My brother already mixed it. Hi. Ooh, it's wow, look at this. It's like melted toothpaste. It smells minty.
Guys, this is the best way to mix it.
No, it isn't. Okay, well, after you're done mixing, you take your baking soda and you put this much in it. A half a teaspoon. So, let's pour it in. For yours. And mix. OMG. It did nothing to it.
Nothing. But this makes it softer.
So then you take your contact solution and you just pour it in.
All of it?
No, not all of it. Pour it slowly at a time.
Ooh, that's enough.
Drop, 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 drop.
Okay, my turn.
Only a little bit though, okay?
Jab, 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 jab. Jab. Okay, finish, Daddy. Okay, good.
Nothing's happening. It's just like...
Smell it.
God, this smells so good. It smells minty. So you just pour it until it's slime. You just pour it until it's slime. You have to pour it slowly each time. Mine's kind of thickening up. Okay guys, so I thought that mine was gonna fail, but actually it kind of worked. It worked. Look, it's like slime. Well, almost like slime. It's so cool.
I'm still mixing mine.
So excited. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That's good. And let me add some for Andrew's because his is kind of forming too. Mix that.
Let me mix
Mix that. Wait, mix that. Oh.
Wow,
Nice.
Angel.
Gosh, I think mine just yours is like the one that just well, yours is like mine. Yours is like mine.
Oh, mine stretches.
Oh yeah. Turn it into slime. It's not slime yet, Andrew.
It's getting
Oh
hotter.
my god. Did you see that? Did you guys see that? Look.
Did you guys see that?
Only like a little bit more contact solution and I'm done.
Okay, I need some more pasta.
Much, Andrew. If it's too much, it won't work. Dash more.
Dash.
A dash more.
Ooh. Wow.
It is definitely thickening up, guys. Look at that. That's like the one that
That is
that looks. This looks like the one that my dad was
This
doing.
kind of hurting.
This is exciting. This doesn't hurt at all.
Angel, this is almost slime. Look. It's almost. Angel, look.
Mine. Just do like that.
Angel, I think mine's almost slime. Just a few
Mine
more.
is slime.
Mine is slime now. Look, it's doubling. Whoa, Angel, look! Look at this! Look at this!
This is a lot. My dad's face is like, oh my gosh, very slime.
Daddy, it's just slime.
This is toad slime.
This is just like slime. But it's not slime.
But it's kind of sticking to the bowl and mine's not. See, if you mix it, it's not really. You need to add more contact.
No, Daddy said, oh yeah! So, okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys. And I'm gonna take it out. Get out, you.
Hey, Daddy! It did not stick to me! Angel, I'm telling ya, it doesn't stick. Angel, it's not even slime, but it doesn't stick to me.
Touch it again.
Okay. To my clothes, it only sends water.
It only
Just
sticks to
kind of-
water.
No, it only...
Come on.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye. Beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop. Stop. Bye. Slime.
Okay, what do you think the food color is?